Spaghetti stringer.
Right here is the right ureter.
Okay.
And it leads down into. Here's the urinary bladder. It's been
Smaller in the female.
smaller and harder in the female. It's more collapsed in the male. Here is this. Well, that was the suspensory ligament. And then the uterine horn, and this is where I need Dot to catch up, because where it starts to get into here, and like
Where
the
it goes,
uterine
yeah,
horn
where it
is,
actually begins.
and then where the what's the structure that I'm not familiar with. This is cat anatomy that I don't know. Yeah, what exactly is the uterine horn? I know this is the region.
I thought she said that's where the cat, because didn't ours have cats in it? Little kittens?
No, this is ours.
Okay.
I mean, you can see this structure. It's not part of the intestines.
No.
So this is actually where
Right.
their gestation occurs.
Right.
But how it breaks down to like where the horn is.
They're supposed to come together and merge, but yeah.
On this side it's cut, but on this side you can see that it basically attaches into the peritoneal wall.
Oh yeah, you're right. I can see it. Yep.
But once it gets down in here, it goes deep, and I'm not really sure I want to start cutting away at that.
Gotcha.